Part of the use case 3.2, big wine optimization, has been devoted to the develop a new system for wine shipping monitoring. This part of activity has been carried out in Italy by Vinidea and Isdea, two partners of the Internet of Food and Farm, starting from a consideration on wine market. Right now, 44% of the global wine consumption is represented by wine traded internationally. That means that roughly 100 million hectoliters of wine are moving every year from the main wine producing country, which are made in Europe, so France, Spain, and Italy, to the main wine consuming country, presently North America, Northern Europe, and Asia. When a winery in Europe send the wine to one of his clients in North America, typically what happens is that the winery is delivering by truck to the nearest port, and after some time on the deck, the wine is shipped through the ocean to North America. Again, stop on the deck of the porter, then two, three, maybe four different delivery by train or by truck through the importer, distributor, retailer up to the final destination. This is a long journey, usually more than 1 month, and during this month, some risks are present. The main one is high temperature. It can happen the wine stays for hours or maybe days to 40, 50, 60 degrees Celsius, and that means to destroy the quality of the wine. And also, it can easily happen that the boxes and damages, bottles are broken. The winery right now has no control of wine shipping condition, although is responsible for the integrity of the product at final destination. And that causes a lot of problem and headache to the winery. We developed then three different outputs. The first one is a test to be carried out in a laboratory with a climatic chamber in order to estimate the effect of high temperature on a specific lot of wine. The procedure is made available by Isdea, the company who developed the system, to everyone, and also through the web platform, a laboratory by putting as input the data, some data before and after heating, can also receive back the result in terms of category of sensitivity or resistance of wine to high temperature. The second output is a data logger that is put into the pallet at the cellar when the journey starts, and is continuously recording temperature, humidity, and has an accelerometer inside. The device is then following the wine from the winery to the final destination. And the key feature is that there is a modem inside, and with the specific roaming contract, the winery can have direct and exclusive access to the data in real time. So the winery can know which temperature is suffering the wine in a specific moment, can see if there was a shock and when it happened, and can see where the goods are localized in a specific moment. And by crossing all this data, of course, the winery, if something happens, can know what happened, how, and exactly who was responsible for. The third output is a database coming from statistical elaboration of all the data gathered and in the different journeys. That allows to quantify the risk of a specific problem in a specific season on certain destination and maybe also through certain carriers, and then allows the winery to choose among the different options the best shipment condition for his wine in a specific moment. Also, this is a service that we would like to offer to the wine industry as we feel it very valuable. And for any more information you would need, please don't hesitate to contact us.